There's this bird. Hi, buddy. What's going on? I see ya. Yeah. Get you some food? I thought it was a crow, but aren't they bigger? Or is this a finch? Or I don't know. He's black. He's kind of got blue around his neck. Yeah. Kind of got blue, yeah, and on his chest. That's a cool looking bird. I like his eyes are like crazy looking. They look like they glow in the dark or something. Look at him. He's freaking badass. I love him. I'll call him Batman. Batman, what up? How's it going, Batman? That's pretty freaking awesome, dude. Check this thing out. He just came over. He ain't moved. He's looking at me. I'm talking to him. What's up, buddy? You're on YouTube. You're on YouTube. If you come back, maybe we could start a little page for you, huh? Maybe? Man, you got some blue on your chest. I don't know if you guys can see that. He's got some blue like around his neck and his chest. It's freaking awesome. It kind of reminded me of a crow, but what is this thing? Isn't crows bigger? You know what I mean? He's freaking cool as hell. I love him. What's up, buddy, bud? What's up? Get you some good grub. You can come back anytime. I got some. Actually, I could get some more tomorrow for you. Man, he is freaking sweet. What up, dog? He ain't moving a muscle. He loves it. What is this thing? Leave me some comments. Let me know. Is it a crow? Or something? Peace.